Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about status bar toggle. In this section, I have listed the most frequently used status bar options along with their properties and uses. F7. This status bar tool will toggle the visibility of background grid which is often visible in your drawing area. F9. Toggle snap mode. When snap mode is active, AutoCAD cursor will jump to specific points in the drawing area which is defined in snap mode. DIN mod. By default the value of this system variable is set to -3 which keeps it off. You change this system variable to 3 to make dynamic input active. Dynamic input allows you to add information dynamically on the cursor tooltip. F8. Toggles ortho mode on/off. When ortho mode is on, you can make lines either horizontally or vertically only. F10. Toggles polar tracking on/off. With polar tracking active, you can make lines inclined to any angle which is defined in the polar tracking increment angle. Isodraft. Using this toggle you can activate the isometric drawing plane in AutoCAD. You can select from isoplane left, isoplane top and isoplane right. You can also toggle between different isoplanes using F5 function key. The default value of isodraft option is orthographic. F11. Toggles object snap tracking on/off. Using this option you can track snap points of geometries like center, midpoint, endpoint, etc., and make geometries with their reference. F3. One of the most important status bar toggles. This function key deactivates object snap option. When object snap is active you will be able to snap your cursor to some exact points in the geometry like end, center, quadrant, tangent, etc. This option allows you to make precise AutoCAD drawings. LU display. This system variable toggles visibility of line weight in a drawing. The default value of this system variable is off, which keeps the line weight display off. You can change its value to on to keep line weight visible in the drawing area. Transparency display. Just like line weight, this status variable allows you to toggle the visibility of transparency of an object. You change the value of this system variable to 1 to make transparency visible or 0 if you want to make it invisible. Selection cycling. Using this system variable you can select overlapping objects very easily. When the value of this system variable is set to 2, an overlapping icon and a menu containing a list of overlapping objects appear and you can select the required object from this list. If you set the value of this system variable to 1, only the overlap icon appears, not the menu. You can turn this off by changing the value of this system variable to 0. F6. Dynamic UCS can be activated or deactivated using this function key. Using dynamic UCS you can make geometries directly of the face or another 3D object irrespective of the position of UCS. You can also toggle dynamic UCS using UXDetect system variable. The values of this system variable can be 1 FOR on and 0 FOR off. Graphics config. Using this status bar option you can open graphics configuration window, which is used to change settings related to display and graphics properties of AutoCAD. You can also use 3D config for opening the graphics performance window. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.